Welcome to Rise and Thrive. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy eating habits and sharing essential tips for maintaining a balanced diet. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your mood, or simply eat healthier, these tips will help you on your journey. Tip number 1. Fill your plate with color. Aim to include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your meals. The more colorful your plate, the more nutrients you're likely to get. Try to incorporate at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day. Tip number 2. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are packed with fiber and nutrients, which can help you feel full longer and support digestive health. Tip number 3. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later in the day. Instead, try to eat regular meals and include healthy snacks like nuts, yogurt, or fresh fruit to keep your energy levels stable. Tip number 4. Watch your portion sizes. It's easy to overeat, especially with larger portions. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control your portions, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Tip number 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is essential for overall health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, and remember that sometimes our bodies confuse thirst with hunger. Tip number 6. Plan your meals. Taking time to plan your meals can help you make healthier choices and avoid last-minute unhealthy options. Consider prepping meals in advance so you always have something nutritious on hand. Tip number 7. Enjoy your food mindfully. Take time to savor each bite, eat slowly, and appreciate the flavors. Mindful eating can help you enjoy your meals more and prevent overeating. Remember, it's all about balance. You don't have to eliminate your favorite treats entirely. Just enjoy them in moderation. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips inspire you to make healthier eating choices and create a balanced diet. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Share your favorite healthy eating habits in the comments below.